Hey, this is Riley with Best Pro Trade. I'm long one contract on the E-mini Russell. I've already been filled on my first contract. Let me see if I can show you where exactly. The first target was hit at that point, and I'm using my second contract as a runner. So I've just got it moved up out of the way. You can see the price overnight bounced off this pivot point, came up to the mid band and made another up move. And I placed my entry at the pivot line. After the price broke the pivot line, it came back down and filled me on this bar. And now I'm long one contract. I got one contract left. You can see on the trading panel I have 3 green buy bullets. The multi-BBTs, the amateurs, are buyers over sellers, and the institutional are buyers over sellers big time. I have 53% bulls and 47% bears. My market analyzer windows are all green except for the 1 minute. They don't agree. Unemployment claims comes out at 8:30 this morning. It is 7:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time right now. On my 12-4 wrinkle bar chart, you can see I have a resistance line up here at 1086.1, and I've got I may move that because looks like we want to have an up morning this morning. The prices are moving up, so I'm gonna see if I can catch a ride and hopefully not get stopped out. There are some sell orders coming into the market. You can see by this bank of red dots, and I've got 3 red bullets on the trading panel, and the price is falling a little bit. Minor pullback. I'm thinking about just since I do have some ticks in my pocket, I might move my stop to just a break even to give it a little more room because it's awful early in the morning. I am expecting this to be just a minor pullback. I'm going to go ahead and move my second target up out of the way a little bit more. I'm just going to put it right below this resistance line on the 12-4 wrinkle bar chart. Okay, it's right at a floating fib on the 6-3 wrinkle bar chart. I'm going to move my stop back up to 1083.3. I'm putting it right under this pivot. The price needs to break this resistance line, and there's also a floating fib at the same price level, 1085.4, and there's a resistance line on the 1086.1 on the 12-4 wrinkle bar chart. The price needs to break that resistance line also. I've got sell orders coming in. I do have a buy signal, 62% bulls and 38% bears. The multi-BBT is telling me buyers over sellers on both of them, and I still have 3 green buy bullets. And it's 7:30, so I got another hour before the unemployment claims report comes out. The trading panel is telling me I have a good chance of breaking those levels because I've got a lot of up pressure. The market analyzers all green, and I've got green in the rest of the panel. Looking at the 12-4 wrinkle bar chart in the bottom left hand corner, you can see the price bounced off the pivot point and came up and was rejected from this resistance line, and the resistance line moved from this price level to this one at the 1086.1. So I'm concerned about the price breaking that. That's a pretty significant resistance area. Okay, the price penetrated this resistance line in the floating fib on the 6-3 wrinkle bar chart, and it's trying to penetrate it right now. I did lose my 5, 10, 15 minute bullet, so that's telling me the uptrend is weakening a little bit. So I'm going to move my target back down and put it a couple of ticks below the resistance line on the 12-4 wrinkle bar chart. So I have it 2 ticks below this resistance line. Okay, I lost another green bullet. The 10, the 20, and the 30 changed to a no trade. The amateurs are sellers over buyers, and institutional traders are even. I have 33% bulls and 67% bears. The shorter time frames on the market analyzer windows are negative, and the longer time frames they're positive. I'm in a free trade. I'm just going to hang in there and see what happens. The price is making a third attempt to break the resistance line on the 6-3 wrinkle bar chart. Okay, that's the first one. This is the second one. Now it's trying to do a third, trying to break that. I got a bank of red bullets, and I've got 3 red sell bullets, which means that I got sell orders coming into the market. The multi-BBTs are telling me I still have buyers over sellers on both of them, but it's made 3 attempts to break that level, and it's failed to do so far. I got the green bullet back on the 10, the 20, and 30 minute. Still have a no trade on the 5, the 10, and the 15, and the 15, the 30, and the 60s never changed. But doesn't look like the price is going to break this resistance line in conjunction with the floating fib. There's more sell orders coming in. There's a bank of red bullets on the 6-3 wrinkle bar chart, and I have 3 red bullets. on the trading panel. I'm going to move my stop up a little bit. I'm going to put it right under this bar, this pivot. I'm going to protect a little bit more of my profit. The price is having a hard time breaking this resistance line on the 6-3 wrinkle bar chart. The multi-BBTs are even, sellers and buyers on the amateurs, and the institutional traders are buyers over sellers. It's 8:25 Eastern Standard Time, and this unemployment report is going to come out in about 5 minutes. Okay, it's 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Let's see how this report does to the market. Okay, the price is finally above the resistance line in that floating fib. The report's been out about 3 minutes. I do have a buy signal on the trading panel. I've got buyers over sellers on the multi-BBTs, and I still have 2 green buy bullets. And the price is right at the resistance line. Seems like I've been in this trade forever. I'm debating whether 5 more ticks is worth it. I'm going to try to get it filled. Flat the market on my second contract. Now the price probably won't go back up there. I'll put it just a tick below it.
Target filled.
Okay, I'm flat the market finally. Okay, I got long at this pivot line. The price came up above it. I put my buy order at the pivot line. The price came up, and my first target was filled 4 ticks below this resistance line, and of course the price bounced around up against this resistance line in the floating fib on the 6-3 wrinkle bar chart. Let's see what I did. Okay, ended up with 43 ticks on 2 contracts long on a pre-market trade on the E-mini Russell, and looks like it pays off to get up early and open your charts up. Look at that. Do you see that? I knew that was going to happen. It went up to my target after I adjusted it again. Now it's going to pass it. I knew it was going to do that. As soon as I flattened the market, it was going to shoot up. Now it's being rejected from that area. I made my goal for the day. I'm done, and it's 8:38 Eastern Standard Time in the morning, and I'm done. This is Riley with Best Pro Trade, wishing you the best in all your trading.